everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those that know me, welcome back, and for those that don't, my name is Jasmine and I'm a beauty, fashion, lifestyle vlogger. Today I'm back with a really exciting video. So today we're going to be talking about skincare and I'm going to show you some products I've been using. That would be why I don't have any makeup on. This is my bare face. So today's video is going to be talking about Starface, and they are the sponsors of today's video. So just to let you know about Starface, this was actually a newer brand to me. I love discovering new skincare brands, and when they reached out, I was very excited to try their products. So Starface is a company that I'm just going to read off my phone to let you know a little bit about them. So they're reinventing the way we care for acne-prone skin as the first complexion brand to combine efficiency and optimism. Starface is changing the conversation around acne. We are here to normalize and destigmatize. I love this because acne is something that when I was younger, I definitely dealt with. I still have acne scars on my face, and back in the day, I literally just used toothpaste or like rubbing alcohol. I did not use the proper products, so I'm actually lucky that, I do have some scars due to my acne, but I'm really lucky that my skin is as okay as it is because I was not using the right kind of products. Like, it was just whatever that would dry it out, and yeah. So I really love this, and also too, like, adult acne is something that happens. Luckily, I've been blessed to not have that problem. I do get the occasional breakout, which isn't a big deal around my period, but I do know a lot of my friends still suffer from adult acne, and it's just very painful, and it's definitely stressful. So I love how they are putting this positive skin on it. Some other things too about Starface is they are vegan products, which is so important because like, I'm not using animal products on my skin. That is really gross. So I think that is great. They are Leaping Bunny certified too, so they don't test on animals, which is amazing. Just some other things too about them is they're a social justice company. They do give back to lots of different organizations. So I read the instructions, and it said they do donate to some different Black organizations, which is not really important to me. That's as a huge woman. I know a lot of people don't like see that, and that actually also made me want to just use a little dab. So I am going to do a little feature of all the products, and then I will show you how I use it. In here, really excited to try this, and these are great products and very eye-catching as well. It just feels nice. So I will get into showing you the products. Okay, so before we jump in, I did want to show you, this is the Big Lil Starter Set. I love the name. So you get these three products, and it is $35. I will, of course, be demoing these products and show you how I use them in my daily skincare routine, but definitely a steal of a deal for $35 and free shipping. So that's when you know. Okay, so the first product I want to talk about is the Hydrostars. So you get 32 of the most adorable stars. I'll show you when I'm putting them on what they look like, and it's in a really handy dandy container. And these are just little pimple protectors, so they really help to absorb fluid and reduce inflammation and shrink pimples overnight. Who does not want that? Okay, the next product is the Space Watch, and this is a plant-based cleanser. You can use it at night or you can use it in the morning. And this really just helps prevent future breakouts and really does a deep cleanse to get that makeup and those oils out of your face, which is perfect. It is oil-free and dermatologist approved, which is really important. And it really just gently removes dead skin and unclogs pores, which is really important. And it doesn't strip the skin's natural moisture barrier, which is really important to me. And it just helps calm your skin. So this is like the perfect cleanser. And there's really great ingredients in it too, like white willow bark, sage leaf, holy basil leaf, chamomilla flower, and calendula flower. So lots of really good things in there. Okay, and the final product, I love the name of this. It's Moisture on Mars. So this is the Hydrating Face Cream. This is safe for all skin types, but it's made for acne-prone skin. And it really just helps to mitigate excess oil, but maintains your natural oils. It inhibits pore clogging bacteria and works to reduce the appearance of acne scars over time. So that is definitely amazing. And the ingredients in this are very scientific, and I actually don't know what they mean, so I'm not going to mention it. But I'm really excited to use that, and you will see me use this product. Now it is time for the moisturizer. This is the Moisture on Mars Hydrating Face Cream. I definitely need this because my skin feels like Mars right now. It definitely feels dry. And can I just say, I love the bright yellow packaging of all these products. They're very cute. And this was very deceiving. I was like, okay, this is an interesting face cream packaging. And then you actually take this off and there's a little pump. So I'm just going to put probably about this, and I just like to rub it into my skin. Have to say, I'm a huge fan of this moisturizer. I love how it doesn't give a white cast on my skin. As someone with darker skin, there's nothing worse than when you put a moisturizer on and it just makes your skin and your face look white. It also absorbs very quickly in, and it doesn't leave me looking oily or greasy. I find sometimes moisturizers can do that. This was just a really nice, kind of more on the thinner side consistency, but my skin feels really nice and hydrated, and I don't see like any dry patches right now, so I really like this moisturizer. And I know it's doing lots of nice things for my skin, and also making sure that my skin does not look like Mars, which is a thing that I am going to use are these little star patches, and I just can't get over this container. It is so cute, and it's also very convenient too. When I'm traveling, I can definitely just throw this in my bag. I don't know about anybody else here, but it's like when I travel, I get the worst pimples, and it's just because, you know, I'm using different pillowcases. Flying just seems to be really bad for that. So I really like how I can just throw these in my bag, and there's also a little mirror too, so I probably could put these on while I'm on the plane. So just make sure your hands are clean, and you just want to put it on your pimples. So I have one right here, and it's so cute. I feel like I'm on Euphoria. I actually wore one to the grocery store the other day and nobody actually said anything. And then I have this pesky pimple on my chin. So these work on, you know, bringing the pimples under control. I also like them too because I won't be tempted to pick a pimple when I'm wearing them. And they're just so easy to apply. You just put them right on and you can feel super cute and like you're part of like Euphoria. My pimples are in weird spots. But I wish it was on like my cheek or something because that would look really cute. But the Hydrostars are so cute, they're so convenient, and they really put in the work. I am a huge fan of these. I do urge you to buy the Big Lil Starter Kit. I will have the link down below. These are great products, and there's also other lovely products as well on their site, like these. Your skin is gonna look so good if you use this, and it's just very cute and very effective. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of the products. And also, if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my channel. And I thank you so much for all your love and support. And I hope you have a great day, night, whatever time you're watching.